I'm James Bull at the Gin Joint located in Charleston, South Carolina. We're going to make the Gentleman Pirate Cocktail with Goslings Old Rum. This is an expression of the Goslings Black Seal Rum that is aged in oak barrels for a little bit longer. We're going to start with 2 ounces of the Goslings Old Rum. Add half an ounce of Jerk Demerara syrup. Add 2 to 3 dashes of Boulevard bitters. Top this with ice. Give this a good stir for about 20 to 25 seconds just to dilute it, bring the flavors out. We are going to put it in a rocks glass with a nice clear ice cube. A dehydrated lime wheel right on top. If you don't have these available, a simple lime twist right on top works just as well. Cheers.